A 6.3 earthquake has struck Mexico. The earthquake hit offshore of the state of Chiapas and was strong enough to be felt hundreds of miles away. USGS report that the quake struck at 12:47 p.m. local time at a depth of 49.4 miles. The epicenter was 56 miles west of Tapachula. There are some reports of shattered windows, and all across the region, people reported feeling the quake's effect, according to BBC News. Some people panicked and ran into the streets, and the earthquake was strong enough to be felt in El Salvador's capital, San Salvador, hundreds of miles away.